Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Intellect Digest, and we have got with us the Sennheiser's Momentum True Wireless earphones. These are in the ear types, independent left-right earphones, which have been launched recently in India, and they are priced at 25,000 rupees. So, are they any good? How is the packaging? How's the build quality? Let's unbox this and show you all that. Let's get started with this video. Before I unbox this, let me quickly show you what is mentioned on the box. It says it can take music and call, it has touch control, voice assistant access, and battery life of up to 4 hours plus 2 charges, which means 4 plus 8 up to 12 hours. So the case that it carries has 8 hours of charging, which is 2 full charges, and 1 full charge gives you 4 hours of continuous playback. So you can expect 4 hours of use. It also says that it has superior sound quality, touch control, easy connectivity to all common voice assistants. It is Bluetooth 5.0 compatible, and it supports Qualcomm's aptX and aptX low energy protocols, ACC, Bluetooth, and there is this barcode. There is a Momentum True Wireless Sennheiser Smart Control app, which can be used with these earphones. So let's open the box. And this is how the packaging is. Here we have the case, and then a small leaflet which tells how to charge the case. And here we have the Momentum True Wireless in-ear earphones. You have 2 units. This is L is the left unit, this R is the right unit, and it has this metallic finish on the side. This also works as a touchpad. And here, this is the case, which has a Type-C charging port. There is a button, and this is how the case looks from inside. When you place these earplugs here, it is kind of magnetic, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is magnetic, it's not falling off. It holds the earphones tightly in place. You put them in, and this button is probably to start charging. Let me look for what else is there. So here we have a small paper box, and it contains a number of things. So let me take everything out. This is a big bundle of user manuals and other documents, user guides, etc. And this is the rest of the content. The first thing is a Type-C USB cable. This is a small size cable, Type A to Type C. And then you have these 3 pouches. This is the large size, this is the small size marked as S, and this is the extra small size marked as XS. So the one which is installed, I assume, is the medium size, and you can just remove these plugs and put on the other earplugs which are of different size. So let me turn this on, experience it a bit, and tell you my impressions of these earphones. And we are back after quickly setting them up and experiencing the music from the Momentum True Wireless. And I'll quickly show you the app that comes with it. This is the app, the Sennheiser app for controlling it. It has transparent hearing, keep playing music, equalizer, and the equalizer, the way it is presented, it's quite cool. This side is bass, this is the midtones, and this is the treble. You can just increase the treble like this, take the point here, increase the bass like this. You can increase or decrease the midtones. So it's quite intuitive, it's quite fun to adjust it, and you can have the sound signature like you want to. And I prefer it almost on a flat sound signature, wherein it is almost flat, because the reason being that these are quite well balanced in terms of sound signature, and that is one thing which I really like about them. 50% of volume is generally enough for comfortable hearing. These are light in weight, they fit snug in the ear, but as they say that it's very comfortable, it's probably not very comfortable if you're a headphone guy, but if you are an earphone guy, you would probably find them comfortable. These cost twice as much as your regular Apple AirPods and your Samsung earbuds. So are these worth twice the price? Probably not, but these are quite good in terms of sound. They're very solid. They support transparent hearing, which means that you double tap on the left side and you get that ambient sound. So you just tap here on the app, it shows you the controls. The left earbud behaves differently than the right earbuds when it comes to the touch controls. You tap it once to play, pause, tap it twice to next song, thrice for the previous song. Hold the left earbud for volume down and the right earbud for volume up, and plus one tap and two tap does different thing on the right earbud. The transparent hearing is activated by double tap on the right, which is quite cool. It gets some time getting used to it, but it is quite easy and intuitive after you start using it. And it automatically detects whether this earbuds are in your ear or not. There is probably some proximity sensor in them. If music is playing and you take them out of your ear, it pauses the music. If you put them back in, it starts to play the music again. So if somebody approaches you and you want to talk to them, you can simply pull them out of your ear, have a conversation with them, put them back in, and you start listening to your music from where you left, which is quite cool and intuitive way. It has multiple microphones. As you can see, these are the microphone holes for transparent hearing and noise cancellation for the voice calls. So it is quite good in terms of quality, the build, construction, and the case is also quite good. You put the right one in the right side, the left one in the left side. There's a button at the back of it to start charging when they are drained out. And to charge the case, you just put it on any Type-C USB charger. The carry case material, etc., everything is quite premium about these earphones. But is it worth the money at twice the cost? Probably for the quality reasons, but if you ask me, it's not a very good bang for your buck, but they are very good in terms of quality. So would you pick them up? Do let us know in the comment section. If you want to pick them up, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section. How do you like these Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless? Do let us know in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.